off first, right? Both?
Turn off the air conditioners. You leave the water pump on. Okay, flip that to off. The other one to off. Generator. Generator. Okay. Okay, you heard the generator struggle when the air conditioners came back on, and it's holding the load. Look back on the film, but it went way over here to 30 when it first started the air conditioners. Now it's down here around 22, so it's carrying the load of all three air conditioners. The forward air conditioner is not working that well, so we can turn that off, and you notice it dropped a little bit right there. So we've got the battery charger running, and we've got 110 volt power throughout the boat. We can go turn off the shore power and disconnect the yellow cables from the side of the boat, and we'll be ready to go out. Look here.
Yeah, jumped up.
So it jumped all the way up. That was another compressor that just started. It jumped up to, what was it, 50?
All the way up.
What is that?
50.
That's 50?
Yeah.
It jumped up above 50. Okay, so we're doing good.